Hi guys, very first run of the 1/16 scale Hoonicorn. Just the steering. So right off the bat, it does not drift with these tires on this floor, but it definitely has some good traction. Show you guys. I got a little track set up. Let's just see what she's gonna run like, guys. I said these tires will not drift. That's pretty good traction, which is fine, but I mean, again, it could just be the surface I'm on, but it will not drift out here for sure. It is pretty zippy. And even if I try to throw it in the turn, it will not drift. It will just push, but it will not drift. Still very impressive with the handling though. I guess they may be releasing some actual drift tires for this vehicle. Again, it could just be me, but it does not drift out here on this basketball court. Again, I'm on a nickel metal battery, so it is starting to die already, I can tell. It's a pretty fun car, guys. Just doing a quick little video on it, guys. Nothing too crazy. Oh. I just pretend the track is where it was. It's pretty hard for it to drift. I just look at how the car moves when you lock it up. Man, this car. You guys see how the body, man. I also want to show you guys the bottom of the car. The tires held up pretty decent. It didn't wear out too quick. Again, these tires definitely have some grip to it. It did not drift. Again, it could be just because it's high grip surface as well, but it did not drift from what, I thought it was going to drift, but I knew from when I unboxed it with the tires, it had a lot of grip on those tires. But maybe there's some drift wheels they're going to release as well for this vehicle. I think we're pretty cool. But just out here running around with a little track here, I mean, it's a pretty fun car. So imagine having 2 or 3 of these guys out here just running around on a little track. Pretty cool, guys. I have a nickel metal battery. I will get a LiPo to fit this system in here. Also, I have a Mamba MICRORC, I believe is what it's called, system that I had around. I could probably try it out, see how it does in here as well. But I mean, honestly, guys, probably one of the best mini cars I've driven so far. It's pretty good. Again, for me and what I do, I like to have a little fun with it. Especially had a couple of cars out here with it. It'll be fun. I also like the Reflex 14T as well. I haven't had the buggy, but I have the T. The T is another fun one as well you can look into, which is kind of a similar platform as this, but that one's brushless. This one is brushed. But yeah, definitely a fun car to check out, guys. If you're looking at, trying out one of these, like I said, I would recommend it. It's pretty fun. Like I said, nothing too crazy, nothing overpowered. It's definitely a nice little fun time. Come out here. I would say it will be a lot more fun if you had another person out here with a car. And again, if they come out with the drift tires, I would be curious to see how this would drift as well. I'm pretty sure it'll be a lot of fun also drifting. Again, guys, quick little first run video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.